Jane right now, y'all. Don't come first. Y'all, Busnisha Beauty here. I'll have no lashes on. My hair is up in a bun. I got my do-rag on too. Y'all, it's so much going on, but today we are cleaning this apartment today. From dust to dust. It's been like a few, maybe like, yeah, it's went on like 3 months now of me living on my own, and it's time to clean my apartment again. You know, I cleaned it before I moved in, so now it's like my really first official like cleaning my apartment after I've moved in. And y'all, so I'm about to get ready into it, but I had dyed my hair red, so you know my hair is red. It's like a burgundy red, but I never cleaned my tub out. I know, so bad. I know I never cleaned it out, so I think it stained it. Hopefully not, fingers crossed. But I did come up with a concoction and mix baking soda and warm water and turn it to paste. So it's sitting, so in about less than an hour, yeah, less than an hour, I will be cleaning my tub out, but I'm going to be cleaning the rest of my apartment until then. So yeah, y'all get to sit back and watch me clean my apartment. Also need to move my living room side, so yeah. And then officially, I think next video might be official apartment tour and how has it been with me living on my own. So yeah, but this video, don't forget to follow me on my social media at Miss_Limited_, and then also don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, to always have your post notifications on. Yo, but yeah, okay, thick waist, you know. Let's get into the video.
20 minutes later.
My hands are like really freaking fun.